Hi there, Dad Argo from Marketing for Hippies, and I wanted to record this video about one of the simplest exercises I know for articulating your point of view. When I do my work with people in the mentorship program that I have, there's a 67, oh gosh, probably more now, 70, maybe 80-page questionnaire that people fill out around their point of view. Ask them questions about their point of view from every angle, point of view about their industry, about the journey that they help people on, about the nature of the problem, about what really keeps people stuck and has people have a hard time with it. And here's the easiest version I know. You take a piece of paper and you write the words, I believe, at the top. And then you just keep it, it's a sentence stem. Yeah, you just keep completing that sentence. Thinking about your business. So I believe this. I believe, so if I were to do it just off the cuff right now, I might say, I believe that marketing can feel good. I believe that marketing needs to feel good. I believe that the only agenda worth pursuing in marketing and sales is the truth of if it's a fit or if it's not. I believe that the best marketing comes from word of mouth. I believe that word of mouth comes from doing a good job. I believe that doing a good job comes from having a particular something you do excellently. You know, a group of people you help or product you make really, really well. Yeah, I believe that you don't need to manipulate people to have a really thriving, sustainable business. I believe that your business will thrive more, be more sustainable if you don't resort to those tactics. I believe those tactics only work short term. You see what I'm saying? I'm just riffing. And what you do is you write it all out. You write it all down until you just don't have anything else to say. And maybe you let it sit for a few days. Come back to it. See if there's anything else you want to add. Give yourself a week. Most of it will come out initially, but you'll be in a conversation and realize, oh, that's something I believe too, and you add that to the list. And then you can type it up, and then you start to see, oh, some of these can be combined. And some of them could be eliminated. And maybe some things to add. You might be able to categorize some of the beliefs together, like, oh, these are all beliefs about this thing, and these are all beliefs about that. And then you can put that on your website as a kind of my philosophy page. It's very powerful. This is what people want to know. They want to know, what do you believe about this? What's your approach? What's your understanding of this whole this type of product? You know, if you do hide tanning, you probably have beliefs about it and the best ways to do it or not do it. Or if you make clothing, similar thing. Or if you're a life coach or a holistic practitioner. So be candid with people about the premises that your work is based on. Tell them your philosophy, tell them your understanding, your worldview, your cosmology, the core assumptions, presumptions, premises that underwrite what you do. You might be amazed how much this helps filter out the people who are not a good fit for you, and how liberating it feels to just say it. Of course, terrifying a bit too, because if you're really honest about what you believe, there may be some people that get upset. So that's possible. So anyways, it's a quick little exercise. I believe at the top of the page, and give yourself a few pages in your journal and just start writing and see how it goes. And if you come up with something, I hope you'll let me know. You can just post it, a link to it in the comments below. I'd love to see it. That's all for today. Take care.